Every person has a calling. Before ka matao, mayroon ka anak ka sa gawas, wala minimum parents, naanay purpose.
Yep.
Naay verse ana, nakalimot ko, sorry pastor. na tanan pahitabo nimo, walay aksidente.
Okay.
Walay aksidente.
Very
So,
powerful.
wa pa ka ikipanganlan, wala pa ka maabot sa tiyan sa imong mama, nanay plano ang Ginoo nimo.
Yeah. Destiny yun.
From point A to point Z. So, dapat from point A, in the middle, kailangan ka makibalo unsa tong point Z nimo.
Yep.
According to His will, not ours.
Welcome to the Big Picture Philippines. All right, another episode, no?
Yes.
Amazing.
And we're so honored to have a very unique guest.
Yes, today, and I would like to introduce to you guys one of my special friend pod at the same time, my client, and obviously ako pod inspired po ko ano yung story, and ako pod ni-mention ako siya ganina outside cam na nag-follow ko na siya nako, but actually wasa siya kay Bao, ako pod mismo ni-follow po ko niya, na-inspired po ko na siyang story, and mo nang karon karon na afternoon is I want you guys to hear out his story, like how he started na siya sa real estate na business, and I'm sure daghan kay interested pod ani na topic is because interesting siya tinud anay daghan I don't know most like mga dato sa Philippines or all over the world nagit sa real estate business. So this afternoon I want to introduce to you my dear friend Reggie Manoloto from Global One Realty.
Thank you for having me. Thank you, Dave. Thank you, Mike.
You're welcome.
Michael, yeah.
Yes.
Welcome
you.
to the Big Picture, Sir Regina.
Thank you much. Thank you very mumuch.
So we always ask this question, like, what's your superhero story? How did you get into business? And na-preview ta ganiya with our conversation, but if you can share a bit about that, katong uncle ni mo na naka-inspire ni mo to business. But yeah, background na sa imong business, like, where have you started good with this?
Oh, okay. Before the present, when I was very young, it was just innate with me, na dili man trabaho. So, ganahan ko na magnegosyo, inigdako nako, pero wa pa ko kay balo ana. So when I was a little boy, naami POJ, and then I wanted to go to, and then my uncle was the driver of that POJ that we owned.
Okay.
So I told my mom na, Mom, if I can go with my uncle sa atong POJ, and then because ganahan ko, curious ko na magnegosyo, yun ko na, bahalag magkonduktor ko basta naa ako'y trabaho. And then nakauna-una pa ko na tagay ko puhunan kay I saw when I was with the POJ, with a
How
jeepney.
old were you at this time?
I don't know, 6 or 7 years old.
Grabe, no? So yan na pagka-start pa lang na ano.
Yeah.
You have that mindset na.
And your parents were not afraid of you to go out there. Kasi ruta ani, by the way.
Sa unang panahon bitaw, karon kay sensitive na kay mga parents, no?
Yeah.
Murag overprotected, pasagdan na ka sa una.
Oh, wow.
So you know my age now.
Okay.
And safer pag itingay sa that time, I think.
Yeah.
Or,
I think so, but my mom will always tell me na, oh, ayaw pagrilo. Oh, ayaw pag sulob og mga mahal na sinina, shorts, pants. Kay kuyaw, di sa kulon.
agi siya kulang.
Naagyapoy kuyaw. Yeah, Orhelio to downtown and back.
Nice.
nice.
Zero, something
So nangayo ko 01K. Kana. But before it was different. So nag-request ko mama nako na nagkakunit na ko kwarta kay konduktor man ko.
Na naki-cash handling skills.
So aligri pa kay masuko ko.
Okay.
Nama ko sa front seat. Sa driver seat para ma-protected ko ba. Ang buhok sa una uso ka ng bangs.
Okay.
Yung tinaana ba?
Yeah, remember ko na
Naka-argue mo na, I don't know.
Yeah.
Unya, tawag ko, day, pliti. Suko ko. Dili ko, babae. Lalaki ko. So, ako yung musukli, nag-mathematics.
Yeah.
Kay balon ako. And then one day, nakikinaon ako na, tagay ko kwarta, mamaligya ko sigarilyo. Kanang makita na ko sa daan ba, nga hope. Oy, dili. Walay sponsor, no?
Okay na lang.
Ang gusto na ako kay ginansya lang. So, when I was little, innate na ginako ganahan kung magnegosyo.
How many PUJs did you have at that time?
That's only one.
One lang? Okay.
Yeah.
But that was not the main business of your family?
Dili.
Okay. Sige.
But tungod kay expose ka sa business industry or I mean the business side of things mo nang ganahan sa ka magnegosyo. Is that where the inspiration?
Dili po. That's why I told you na innate na ako kay wala ako kita kay housewife akong mother. And then walay business conversation during while eating,
Yep.
while we were together. Wala gid passive.
Your dad was not around most of the time, or
Wala. So naistorya na.
if you can share,
Yeah,
lang,
yeah.
para namin
If it's okay
idea.
with you lang.
Masuko niya kung daddy.
Makita concept.
na secret. Akong dad mo bisita sa mga once a week. So dili kay mi magkita, so when he arrives home, nasa yung negosyo. Wagay ko ba kung siyang negosyo? So when I was growing, musulti na ako na, nanong negosyante, magkaasam ka naliwat. Miyan ko, I don't know.
Kito wala siya na.
Then somebody told me, I know your dad. You know, your dad was selling even floor wax sa Chongwa. And na-sold out niya.
Okay.
Ko, okay. So naagi di it runs with the blood from my dad's side.
Yeah.
So naagi di ay. But dili lang ko expose. Wala lang ko kay bao na naadi ay in the blood na to do that.
Pero ang relationship ninyo was not that good. I'm assuming from that conversation na once.
No, he is a very, very calm person. Everybody that I meet, and siya, relax lang talaga yung father mo. Mabait.
Okay.
Mabait sa mga kaibigan at kaibigan.
Modern story na yun.
I think that was enough clue. I think that was enough clue for our listeners, no? For
So read between the lines, guys.
Okay. So yes, from that, graduate ka college wala, or of course, no? Eskwela kita. Or nagpadayon ka sa yung conductor life.
I think di ko ka-afford aning polo shirt. So nag-conductor ko. Now we have to upgrade ourselves
Okay.
and find a way to be the best. No?
yes.
So from conductor, nag-swimming lessons ko.
Okay.
It means when I was growing up sa high school, na may duha ka buok tables for swimming lessons. And that's what you call mahjong.
What do you mean by that? So
Nakaduwa ba mag-mahjong? Kailan mo kung si mahjong?
Ako, not a
I don't
player.
play it, but exposed na pag ko na mo duwag mahjong.
Okay, so mahjong.
So, negosyo gapon kay I bring my friends to play it and ako ang mukuha sa tong
Okay.
sa murag fee.
Yeah. Magkano itong sa tunga.
Every high alay, you give me the fee
Right.
for the payment of the place. The kuryente,
Asa man na imong place? Is that the house? Is that
the house of my mom.
Grabe, no?
Libre ang kuryente, siya nagkabayad, ako antong.
Okay, sige, go.
Yeah. So, when I started to go to college, I went to University of San Carlos.
Oh. Carolinian po day.
And then I saw my friend. I was looking for my friend and saw him. And said, "Bay, unsa may imong kurso?" Basta in my mind, I want engineering. So pagtanaw na ko niya, ECE.
ECE. Okay.
So, sige, ECE po ko para classmate ta.
Can relate ko na.
Because from elementary and high school, ang among barkada, the same.
Okay.
Very
Yan ang solid,
seldom.
no?
Up to now, barkada gyapon me.
That's good.
And that was 1980s.
Grabe, no?
Wala pa rin minatawa na day.
80s, 72, 82.
Oh, wow. Nice, huh?
Yeah, 70. Started, never mind. Anyways, fast forward. So, the first 2.5 years, I keep on enrolling as ECE. But I just passed 2 subjects. Re-Ed and Filipino.
Muna siya napasar.
Mura na napasa. And the rest is withdraw, flat 5, drop. So, very, very bad to look at it, no? Okay, you know what? We play mahjong 1:30. I have a rule sa akong mga barkada. Because there were 2 tables. Ang one is for the baraha. I'm not promoting gambling, but this is my story.
Yes, of course, yeah.
Okay. And then the other one was mahjong set. And I have like 7 to 10 barkadas that wants to go to our house and play. So to be fair, ako slanging na first come, first serve. Ang primerong guys na makalingkod sa chairs will play. Ang the rest will have to play the baraha or miron. Do you understand miron?
Meron no.
Spectators. Sideline na. O sige, abay ko ni mo. And cannot play. So it's very funny when they see each other from 1 o'clock, from lunch, going to our house. They will drag race and they're...
Unanay.
Unanay.
Yan ang
Magdinaganay ka ng
limited
huran
seats.
na.
It's like in our high school days, basket ang mga baro ka
Unanay sa court. Yan lang, bitaw, yeah.
Naganay mi usa ka friend na naa siya very small bike. They call it Gorilla, o sponsor ha. Gorilla kanang very special bike na when he saw my barkada park, nagunag park, siya nagsunod. He threw the bike. Simplang, dagan siya sa akong table. Inana kahangol mo duwa.
Grabe, no?
So, within 2 years and a half, nag-away mi sa akong uncle. The one who was driving.
Kaya nga naman.
Every weekend, he had my nephew. Ibisita siya sa among balay. And then, dugay na akong ibadlong na because we start at 1:30 and ends up around 10 o'clock in the morning. Mayon lang ko, bay, panghuli na mo.
1:30
In the afternoon.
10 o'clock in the morning,
So,
overnight.
overnight.
Grabe.
Why tulganay? Na mayon na ko,
Dinner,
undang na ta, kay malipong na ko.
Binuanga
Inana among barkada. Pero salamat sa Diyos, nakatiwas ang most of us in college.
Okay.
And they have their own businesses already.
Wow.
Wow.
That's an awesome story.
Yeah. So, nag-away mi sa kong tiyo, kaning nag-drive sa Gorilla, kung makatodas siya or makadaog siya, naa siya ka ng session na magkaratikid.
Like how?
Mutindog sa na siya. Yeah, wah!
Confused, yeah?
Iyan ang itumbatanan ng mga chips. Iyang gubuton, it means daog na siya.
Okay.
So, musyagit siya. So, I kept, akong tiyo, mubadlong na ko na,
Saba kayo.
Dili na mo magsigig duwa. You have to do schooling.
Study,
Na timingan. Pag abot niya from grocery, niabot siya sa balay, na timingan akong barkada,
Yes.
nagkarate. Nagsagit. And na timing, ang iyang son, nihilak.
Okay.
Suko lagi niya. Ang iyang grocery bag, iyang gilambos sa amo ang table. Naigo ako mga classmate. So dito, nakaingon ko na, mo stop na kog madyong. Mo adto kog abroad. So I went to Taiwan for 2.5 years to do work.
Wow. Okay.
Wait, so that was really the business ni mo ato na time?
Oh,
my God. Dako nakita na. Saan na siya? How does that look
Sa
like?
tong, sa, di ba?
no idea,
Dili man dako kita, but I just wanted to gamble as well.
Dali nalingaw da kami
Alegria,
sa mga barkada.
We eat, we drink soft drinks, and mga inana.
Okay.
So, fast forward, I went to Taiwan with my dad. Ingon siya na after 1 week na, uwi na tayo. Ingon ko, Dad, susunod lang ako. One time, when the last day na ganahan na siya muuli with me from Taiwan to Cebu, siya, puntahan mo ako nito na hotel, uwi na tayo. Akong heart was so libog siya ba? Na ganahan kong manrabaho sa Taiwan but at the same time ganahan kong muuli.
So, dilemma ka to.
Yeah, so when I went to the lobby and met him, ingon siya, uwi na, where's your bag? Go, Dad, susunod lang ako. I will stay here, susunod lang ako. So when sige, malaki ka na, so sunod ka lang ha. So when he went back to his room, I went out from the hotel. It was so heavy. Heavy kayo na, am I doing this? So fast forward, wala ko muli
Wow.
for 2.5 years. So the first 5 years akong college
You
life,
missed the flight at that time.
wag yun.
What can you kuan?
I work,
Tema, what's your work man sa Taiwan?
daghan.
Okay. Odd jobs.
Press machines.
It's a new life for you there.
Yeah, I operate press machines kanang maghimo og mga Pioneer speakers. Mo bend sa mga metal.
All right. Mag-production worker
Yes,
ka.
production worker.
Yep.
Barena. Hantod na foreman ko sa press machine. Kay mo compete man gud ko sa mga Taiwanese.
Yan naka-competitive.
Yeah, anak ko ka-competitive. Mingon dayon ang tigulang. My Chinese name is Mali tao. So, pilay mo na himo 1,000 pieces. Ako nang upsan 1,100. Na-deliver na ko 500 boxes. Ako na upsan 600 boxes. While other Filipinos goes to the restroom and sorry ha, mga kababayan, mag-standby para mo rest.
Yeah.
So manuktok lang ko, Ferdy. Wala kailas Ferdy na ko. I don't know. What are you doing there? Labas ka na. Hinahanap ka na ni Mr. na mga owners.
Yes.
So nakita na sa mga owners. So gihimo ko nilag foreman.
Kita na yung work ethic.
Teenager foreman handling older guys.
Wow.
So I think now that I understood now na the Lord is directing me to lead.
Yep.
Bisig di ko ganahan mahimog leader. I don't want that responsibilities. No? But there is someone pushing me to lead.
Yes.
Then presently, now I realize, makitaan na kong tahi-tahi ba? Masumpay. Nga nung I am now with the Global One Realty as President and CEO, nga nung ako mabutang as to lead. No? So, and then I found out that our atong Ginoo is designed us to lead.
Wow.
Inspire people and lead them. No? So, mo na ako na-realize karon. Then going back to Taiwan after 2 years and a half, I told a few of my barkada went to Taiwan as well.
Ah.
So barkada kipon mi dito.
Hindi ko naman
And brought the mahjong with you.
Mahjong. Weekends na lang.
Ah, okay.
We work 8 to
Mature na mo.
5.
You're mature enough na.
Matured gamay. 8 to 5. And then 5:30 to 8:30 I'm work.
Alright.
Oh. But the first month akong work is plastic injection.
Okay. Ano sabi ba na?
Night shift, 12 hours night shift. And then kita Filipino, what naman na do fast movement. Kasabaan ko sa manager ba to nako or a leader, no? Inanaon pag trabaho, inana kapaspas. Kanabi tong kasuko ni mo na wa ka maanan singkasingkahan.
Okay.
Imong pride ba ko? Lumiyasok ma ako na.
Matarog ang pride.
Hila ko eh.
Okay.
Hila ko na kanang hindi mo ma-express ang kasuko.
Yeah.
At the same time, ang mura kagi
I-discriminate ba ang Filipino dito dilira?
I think they're naagid.
Nagyapan. Kay Chinese,
Gamay.
the Chinese, they always look down ba?
Naagid. Ilang pananaw hinay. Kay magtago-tago man kuning ubang Pinoy.
Sa daw. Muna nilang mag-mindset nila na the same mo i-generalize na.
Yeah. So that's why di ko ganahan ang pananaw nila pareha sa na tampulan ang Pinoy no. That's why gi-challenge na akong kagalingon to do better than them.
Nice. And muna murag naka-motivate nimo ba because of from that murag mahog siya gi-training kadaan ba no?
Yes, akong gisulti sa akong galingon, balik na akong Pilipinas. I want everybody around me to move fast. Uspon akong Pilipinas.
I thought ikaw mga saba. Move fast na dahil. Sige, go.
So I went back. Akong ginan akong barkada that was with me in Taiwan. Akong ginan siya na, bye, I've decided to go back to Cebu. Huh? Pag binuang diya, ayaw pag inana. Yeah, kadusa ko muli. Next week. What?
Nakalitan siya.
Di siya makatuo. Waman na mo sa storya when we drink, when we eat.
Yeah.
Wala sa storya ba? I-decide lang ko.
You this is sorry to cut you off no, pero you think very murag kuan din ba? I don't know, saan siya drastic kay mo mga decisions gani at that time no? Murag
I think there is somebody
murag guiding.
before
Yeah.
na ini-guide na ko. And I know that now. It's the Lord. Because at that time, 1989, 88, grabe ang drugs, amphetamine at that time in Taiwan before naabot sa Pilipinas.
Wow.
Ni-strict na yun ang Taiwanese government. Very smart ilang president. They want illegal aliens out and contract workers in. So kung na a batch of contract workers legally who pays taxes, masud, ilan sang panakpon ng mga
Itong may illegals.
illegal aliens?
Ah.
When Taiwan
Interesting,
government is getting stricter on putting the contract workers in and then ipa-deport nila ang mga illegal aliens,
Yes.
ilan ang process sa pag-deport kay they will go to the factories and then they will interview, do you have a Chinese passport?
If
Kung
not,
wala'y mapakita,
yep.
please come with me courteously
Okay.
at the beginning. And then,
Yun na kay
kabawa na
torture.
ka sa mga illegal alien, and then, sige, ma-shock. Kay iuban, kay i-detain man for deporting.
Yeah.
So later on, ang buhaton sa mga illegal alien, when i-accompany na, muikyas, mudagan.
Oh, really? Ingana
So,
ka.
Mahadlok.
maglayugay na sila.
Nice scene. Nice scene.
Maglayugay na, even mga pulis, mga samad.
Okay. But also, you could process a deportation.
As courteously, undangon ng trabaho, and then ato sa office, and then i-detain for deportation.
Okay. Like, ang detention is like how many days?
Kutob na himutang nakakuha ticket for deportation by batch.
Kisa may mo look at sa ticket?
Taiwanese government.
Okay.
So that was the strategy of the president at that time, Taiwanese government. Which now I realize na sakto yung gibuhat.
Yep.
For their interest sa ilang country.
Yes.
So it was one of the main reasons that you
As well.
Yeah.
First, the drugs get. And then ang deportation.
yes.
Kay later on, ang police may yung ganigwa kay Chinese passport. Mura na ka criminal.
Oh, yagi.
Oh, sorry. I-handcuffs ka
Yeah.
for their own safety.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Grabe.
Grabe na.
So
yan
yun ko
day.
na, this is not getting better.
So murag ang imong safety and security nimo murag na in questions yeah.
Yeah, and I don't see any future already.
Okay.
Tako akong sweldo. I can buy anything that I want. Pero after this, unsa man?
Walay value.
Why value sa akong ginaw na I need to go back in the Philippines and pursue my studies.
Oh,
Kana,
okay.
mo nang the plan.
Wala ka katiwas ato at that time? Or you just, unsa man to katong?
2 years and a half, 2 subjects.
Okay.
2 years and a half abroad.
Wow.
When I went back here,
2 years asad.
I went to the Department of Civil Engineering sa USCTC.
All right. And
Then you
if you don't mind mo share ka sa unsa man to siya na year or age ni Mato.
16 plus 5, 12 plus 4, 16 high school. 16 plus 5, 21.
Wow.
At that time.
At that time, very
So okay
young.
ra gyapon.
Very
Yeah.
young. Oh.
So dili pa ka behind sa imuhang mga batchmates.
Behind na.
2 years.
Kay 5 years naman ni Agi.
Oh, yeah.
5 years.
So
Oban.
good, you kabalik 4-year course.
Yeah, 1988 to 1993 unta ko.
Mo graduate.
Kay civil engineering is 5 years.
Right.
Oh, ECE,
See, yeah.
5 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, surprisingly, when I got back here, 1993, now I knew that my father is into construction. International na iyang construction. Local and international.
Amazing.
Mga pipes. Ang client si San Miguel,
Dako
sa
gima
Brewery,
clients.
sa Dubai, and dagan siya ventures, mining, etc.
Wow.
So, ngayon ko na, mag-civil engineer na lang ko. Kay construction.
Para mo complement.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, pagbalik na ako, nalingaw ko kay ang akong mga barkada naapa sa
Taiwan.
USC.
Okay.
Di ba graduate na Mount mo? Ano napaban mo doon? So, anyways, ingon sila, saan man mo ba ang imong transcript of records? Duharay na pasaran. Makabalik pa kag San Carlos? Optimistic ko na gana ko mo try. Misig ila kong gi-discourage na. Di nakadlawaton diri oy, ato na slain.
Okay.
Then I brought my transcript of records. I enrolled sa USC again. Mr. Manaloto, ni-request ang Dean of Civil Engineering to mag-interview siya nimo.
Ang dean mismo.
Dean ko. Ayay ka.
Putan kang ano.
So, there you go. I went to, I don't know if she's still alive. I think the late engineer Sano. He welcomed me to his office and then ipalingkod ko niya siyang desk and then ingon din siya na. He was reviewing my records. And siya, Dong, sigurado ka mo balik pagka-eskwela? And ko, yes sir. Sakay nag-mindset naman ko na mo pursue.
Verso mo ka.
So sincerely, I answered him.
Yep.
Yeah.
Ayun sa may reaction.
Yun siya na. Look at your transcript of records. You just passed 2 subjects. Nga naman. So, murag na blanco, wako katubag. Yan ko, I don't know sir, but I really want to pursue studies now. Nga no, civil engineering man. Ako siyang explain kay my dad is into construction. What is the name of the company? And I told him the company. And here's the light bulb. Unsa man nimo si Rolly?
So like common.
Dad. That's my dad. Daddy din mo si Rolly. Na ako'y projects with him.
Okay.
I design structural with your dad.
Okay.
Kaya construction man kong dad, magpa-design siya ni Engineer Seno sa design, no? Sa construction. Yan siya. Kumusta naman yung daddy? So, et cetera, chika na. And then, serious na balik. Dong, sigurado gid ka ani mag-civil engineer ka. Ko, yes, sir. Sige. I'll give you a pen and a paper. I want you to promissory note.
Promissory note.
Okay, I will tell you what to do. Anak siya. Tell that, i-address sa kuwa, ibutang diya, kung mahagbong ngani ka og one subject. Even one subject, you're out of the school.
The ultimatum.
Pero, pag sulti niya to, wa ko madlok.
Okay, decidido mo ka.
Kaya desidido man ko na motiwas. Sure, sir. So what ko, even one subject fail ko, padayon.
Okay.
Muna, nadawat ko.
Okay.
I enrolled, I paid the tuition fee. So classes starts. Some of my friends are still there. Because sa San Carlos Mangod, sa Talamban, kay mga bugoy.
Ingon nila.
At that time,
Ingon nila.
nami grupo, we call it Sea Boys Club. No? So, mag-standby lang sa canteen.
Bansel
If
building
you
na
go there, di ka musud sa eskwelahan. Kay after standby sa canteen, you go to the Bukid sa Talamban and to drink booze. Di na musud sa eskwelahan.
good. Cutting
So,
classes.
after 5 years from 1988 to 1993, makitaan pa na ako sila.
Yes.
So, mingon sila na, manalo to. Or to, ilang tawag na ko. Tana, kuyog na ta. Ko, the same panana. Ayun ko na, sige, apas ko kay mag-CR sa ako. Later on, ang ilang tawag na ko, Indianero.
Indianero.
Kay mayon kung mapas ko,
Di
pero
ka
musod day ko classes. So that's the start of the change.
Wow.
Na mayon lang kung diplomatically na moapas ko. Pero gisudlan na nako tanang eskwelahan.
Yes.
So after 5 years, I am now a licensed civil engineer.
Okay. Wow.
Amazing.
93 to 98.
Yes.
Okay, because I started first year. So they call me in the classroom Manoy. ako mga kaupan, mga manggod na ko. Yeah. So
The age
that's
gap.
my USCTC.
Yeah, but you were able to apply the kuan. Kay of course you're in the real estate karon, no? So did you work for your dad or what happened there?
No, I did not work with my dad.
So
Okay, some of my siblings sa first family niya works there. So di pwede.
Okay. May conflict of interest.
Diba? Di pwede. I understood now na di pwede kay basi magkagubot.
Di kay lang. Sa...
Lihay. Okay? And then, aligri kay wa pa ko mo graduate, wa pa ko kuha og board exam. One of my barkada just got married. Ngayon siya, mas civil engineer ka, ikaw tukod sa kumbalay.
Oo.
Yeah. So that was my best friend.
Gi-challenge.
So true enough, when I passed the board, drawing na kog balay. That was my first project as a contractor.
so niagi gid kag contracting work.
Yes.
For how long was this?
98.
roughly estimate. Pero
Ani magod.
Oh.
I have a construction
Okay.
and then katong nagpatukod na kog balay, nagpartner me into advertising. So I have 2 business now.
Okay.
Advertising, real estate advertising, or
No.
Any
Wa ko'y
advertising?
naibawaan ng real estate.
Okay. But yeah, technically ang construction kay balay o somehow related
Yeah,
na.
But not selling real estate.
Not really.
Yeah. So, advertising, construction, 1993, 98, maybe 2005, 2004, or 2010. So, mga 12 years. Construction, civil works.
Taas po, no? O experience nimo for civil na mga
Yeah,
projects.
mga fit-outs.
Okay. So imuha ng company, imuha sa itong company.
Yeah.
Okay.
I call it Manacon Builders.
wala na ron.
Wala na. Kaya ni-stop mo 2010. I have an interior designer partner sa una.
Yes.
And then I decided to stop construction. Ako lang giyatag akong mga tao siya.
What's the reason
Yeah.
for that?
Ani?
It was doing well.
Yeah.
Or
Yes.
okay.
Yes.
Interesting, no? Because we don't. Yeah.
Construction, advertising with my partner, doing corporate shows,
Wow.
doing concerts. There is a waterfront.
Oh, so
Events.
mo manage mo na, mo promote,
Mo produce.
Yes. Oh wow.
So we pay the artists. We rent out
The place, the venue.
the waterfront, ballroom, then ticket sales and
Events,
sponsors.
yun na events, no?
Events and corporate shows.
Okay, so those are the two things.
Yeah, so nakasulod ko sa real estate. This is the story. We went to events. Okay? Santa Lucia was very popular at the time.
Yep.
He always get us to do the events. So we get artista,
Yeah.
we kasi na sa Showtime na babae na yabag.
And Curtis?
Yeah, we got Ann Curtis even when he was very, very young. He sang 5 songs dito sa SM Rotonda.
Oh, wow.
5
bigatin.
very melodic songs. Di pa kayo sikat na to.
Pero exposed na gid ka. So that kana bitaw na environment.
Yeah. My partner is marketing, ako operations. Kay construction, mga details, ako ba. So partner ning duha. So,
Santa
one
Lucia.
event, the owner of Santa Lucia, ang concept na mo kay ang mga buyers dalon na mo sa bottomless glass bottom yacht. I rented a glass bottom yacht.
Wow.
Lapu-lapu.
Lapu-lapu.
Kaya ang ilahang project naa sa tumoy sa Puntain Canyo Tip
Yeah.
property. So the plan was countdown. The concept was that the way 3, 2, 1 fireworks and open up the billboard sa project
Launching.
launching. So gidak na mong glass bottom yacht so makakita mong mga fish.
Yep.
And then we got a singer and then we served dinner sa steak. Mga steak, high-end man.
High-end.
And then successful ang event.
Nice.
Ingon si owner na Santa Lucia, swerte talaga basta kayo ang promote, mag-launch. So they always got us.
Yep.
And one time, I saw this map. They are shading colors. And then later on, shade na pod ang colors.
Kanang makita na to sa
Site development
sa
plan.
development
ito.
plan. Yes.
And then one girl told me, "Sir, kuha na. Kuha pod." And ko, unsa akong kuhaon ani? Wa kay ko kasabot sa real estate.
Okay.
Sir, these are lots for sale. Dere sa inyong gilaunch. Ako'y gilaunch siya pero ako kasabot. Unsa akong gilaunch? Kay ba lang ko property. Subdivided na so kana mga shaded
Nahalin lang.
nangahalin na siya.
Wala
reserved.
on that day. Or
So I interview her. Are you an agent? Yes. So you're selling it. Are you salaried ba mo or commission basis? Yes. Yun siya, commission basis. So what do you get from this? 5% of the sold price.
Yep.
And then I computed, wow, lucrative business.
Yep.
So nakunahuna na ko.
Ah.
Akong ina akong partner sa advertising. Bye. Mukuha ko og real estate brokerage
License
exam.
or exam, yeah.
Board exam, board.
Yeah.
Para malisensyahan ko.
Ah.
It will be our future business as well. Then ikuha ko. Nag-seminar before ka makuha og board exam, mag-seminar ka ana.
Yeah.
You get into a seminar and then board exam.
Pila man ka series of seminars? Or usa lang?
Usa lang.
Ah, usa lang.
Under DTI pa, not under the umbrella of PRC.
Ah, okay. Dito pa before.
So, dili nagsugod si Global One Realty.
Hindi siya nataw.
Since high school, elementary, mangita kog mga maayo na mga bright. So, naman ay mga group study. So, I chose people that are very good. That I see that are very good. So, ni-join ko sa group nila. Dito nag-start. So, we have group studies, and then nag-ingon na yun sila na murag, na sila grupo daan, na ako nag-identify pa ko, kaya wasa ko sudsud sa seminar.
Okay.
Murag, hapit na sa crunch time, sudsud na ko, and then, naka-identify ko na maayon ng grupo ha, gi-welcome sa ko nila. Thank you, Lord. Muna na, tahi na ba na, anong na-appeal ba ko ng grupo ha? And when I got there, ingon sila mag-graduate ganito tanan, malasensyahan ganito tanan, maghimo ta Global One Realty. Sila gasugod. And then sila excited na, if mag-Global One Realty, ikaw ang mong president. Yung ko, what? So may qualification ako. Every time na I challenge na ako manggid inyong i-leader. So now I understand now, na ko'y calling to lead, no? So, not for my glory, but glory to God. Wow. Glory to God. Dili para sa ako ang kagalingan, but mo serbisyo ug lain.
Because they see it in you siguro. Sa imong katong team nimo, group of people na believe nimo.
Sa akong mind, I don't know if they see it in me. I don't know. But I think tungod sa Ginoo, that naana akong Ginoo, they see that. Probably.
Yeah.
Probably.
So, really good point, ha?
Yeah, so
Nakuha na.
nakapasara mi tanan, nag-set up na din me.
Okay.
It's so na. It was a natural progression na.
So, construction,
Let go.
advertising, and I was doing real estate. I
At the
told
same
my partner sa advertising, appeal ka? Ingin man siya, dili siya.
Okay.
No? Pero murag ako to siyang gi-open up. Kay, kuhan man kito, katong sa advertising, murag, mas daghan akong time dito. Kay
Yeah.
mas busy.
Yeah.
Events man, dapat
Events
fast.
man.
Yeah, so,
Even kanang mga projects sa diri sa Cebu, like Monterasas, kami nag-supply nilang mga stickers,
Alright. Okay.
ato, stickers, labeling, among gidawat, signages, among gidawat,
Siguro sa na projects about
billboards,
advertising.
among gidawat, package.
Yeah.
No? So, one afternoon, I went home. One is yung turning point. I went to my mother's room. As usual, one afternoon, he's reading newspaper, magazine. I don't remember. I lie down sa iyang kilid. Naasti ilan dapit. Oh, ano nangyari sa'yo? Yan siya, ma, parang nagpapalpitate yung heart ko. Oh, ba't nagpapalpitate? Uminom ka ba ng kape? Blah, 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 blah. Nasaba ko. Ay. Relax lang ko. Ginawa lang ko. So, nagstoryan ako na, why am I doing this? What for? For who? Wa man ko single ko. Wa ko children. I live with my mother. Very old na. Ano mga Pinoy?
Yes. So, magid.
Basta yung pinangga kay ko sa kumama. I don't know. So, ingunin ko na I need to move on and angay ko mo change sa akong life. So I decided to stop. That was 2010. I decided to stop the construction. Akong giyata kong mga tao sa akong partner
Yep.
na interior designer. And then, after a few months, ako lang ginanong partner na murag na ay makapuli na ako sa operations. Kanin siya na tao. Wala lang ko automatic mo attend na mo ato sa office. And
But
then
no hard feelings ni sa iya.
no hard feelings.
That's good.
Ako lang ingnan na I think that person can handle it already without me. Pero siya text ako, "Bay, lahi mas ganahan ko ikaw lahi ang lahi style ba?"
Yeah.
Detalyado man kay ko.
Naana siya sa imuhang standards nimo.
Yes. So, naundang na ko ang construction. Naundang na ko ang advertising. But during the time na 2007 man mi nag-real estate.
Yes.
Okay.
Kaya na busy na kayo after makahalin ko project. Reggie, palihog ko renovate. So continuous. Partner kayo.
Na siya project every time.
Na mo pa ito condo. And then ang owner, mingon na change, revise the layout.
Yeah.
So I renovated. So continuous ang negosyo.
Yep.
Pero magpaltipitate naman ko. Wa na.
Okay.
This is really good.
So dito ko nag-ingon ko na I need to focus on one thing.
Okay.
So somebody told me, a person, na I think your real estate is your calling. Wa pa na ako gi-confirm na siya, but ako ang angay man gid ang mo confirm kung unsa imong calling sa atong kinabuhi is the Lord above. So you have to communicate with the Lord kung unsa gid imong calling.
Yep.
Every person has a calling. Di man
love that.
pwede kita tanan ang presidente.
Yeah.
Dili pod kita tanan mo limpyo
Right.
sa saw. So i-balance gina sa Ginoo. No?
Really
Na
good lesson.
Every person has a calling. Before ka matao, mayon ka anak ka sa gawas. Wala minimum parents. Naanay purpose.
Yep.
Naay verse ana nakalimot ko, sorry pastor. na tanan pahitabo nimo walay aksidente.
Okay.
Walay aksidente.
Very
So
powerful.
wa pa ka ikipanganlan, wala pa ka maabot sa tiyan sa imong mama. Nanay plano ang Ginoo nimo.
Yeah. Destiny yun.
From point A to point Z. So dapat from point A in the middle kinahanglan ka makibalo unsa tong point Z nimo
Yep.
according to his will, not ours.
Right.
But sometimes na atay free will, mo testing ta point mo ato kag C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Kung ana nga magzigzag ka.
Yeah.
Mailan man na to if dili siya calling nimo, di siya mo prosper.
Tinood.
But you have to ask God, you have to talk to our Lord kung unsa iyang calling for you. Unsa imong purpose here.
Yep.
Yeah. So it's between you and the Lord.
Nice.
Yeah. So dito
Totally.
naka-confirm sa ko with him na this is my calling. That's why I stayed here. From 2007 when we started Global One Realty. And now we're turning 17 this coming September.
Wow.
Congrats.
17 years in the
Almost
business.
20. Grabe.
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Yes,
But let me ask you this lang, like why Global One Realty man? Like unsa may behind na name?
Well, when during our group study, mention ko na ni Apas lang ko.
Yes.
They were ilahan na siya. Sila ang nag-SWOT analysis sana.
Okay. Brainstorm sana. Yeah.
Niya ako, namili lang ko si mga mayo, ni-insert ko. And then we want to do business globally.
Okay. That's the goal.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it global karon na? Unsa, can you tell us more about what Global One is all about? Like how many siya? How do we measure our performance by the way of a realty company? Unsa man siya
Daghan.
sales by sales number of sales unsa man na siya?
May naiuban, mingon na you will be awarded as top 1 sa mga awardings.
Okay.
But we are unique. No? We wanted to, at first, we wanted to serve people into the class high-end market.
At first.
Okay.
Santa Lucia was a high-end market no at that time.
At first, no, naman po sila affordable
Nasa sila.
lots.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to cater to everyone.
So in the middle, murag nausab.
Okay.
Kay naman gui demand po sa middle and low.
Yes.
So himo na make from A to D.
Okay.
So wala kay
So
nakafocus.
ni-innovate, ni kuan siya.
And then there was a point na balik na po min sa high end
Right.
when Rockwell Cebu was starting here in Cebu.
So
We
I
were
hope-
the top realty for 3 consecutive years
Wow.
Wow.
Amazing.
sa high end because Rockwell Land Cebu is naa sa high end market.
High-end market.
Amazing.
So naa po yung mga high end properties si Abartis Land. We were also 2 consecutive years na top realty.
Wow.
Okay.
No? And then nag-change ang plano ba?
Wow.
No? So then we diverted to lead marketing, meaning we wanted to divert the focus to lead marketing. Mahimo na mig marketing arm on a developer, on a particular developer.
wow.
Example, if you have if you want to be a developer, Michael,
Yep.
mo consult ka na mo. Nahimo may project consultant, no? Consultancy. Projects lang.
Okay.
And so we will be our team will do the conceptualization of the say angay sa imong property.
Yes.
What is the best use of your property doing business as real estate? Doing real estate business. So, i-commercial ba na siya angay
Or residential.
i-housing project,
Okay.
low, mid, high ba?
So kamo ang feasibility
Condominium.
study sad.
We do that.
Wow, huh? And very important. Okay.
Because if we do that, we're marketing it,
Yep.
but we're selling to all. Dili siya exclusive na kami rin mo sell.
Okay.
We
Everyone
will
can sell
promote, yeah, international, even agents from other realties,
Yeah.
that. Okay. That's how it works there.
agents from other cities. You can sell, and we can give you the standard professional fee. Yes.
So
But you have a
open
cut
market siya.
or that already?
I'm sorry?
Cut ana wala as a marketing development.
Of course, there will be a percentage
special deal.
marketing, project marketing consultancy.
It's not a salary or a project base. Appeal gid mo sa
A
business
percentage.
entity. A percentage. So if they go, win ka both sides in a sense.
Yes.
Yes, kay kung mabaligya,
that's the business.
win. Yes.
Yeah, we
And you
get
also win in the marketing,
we
no?
get percentage on top of the regular professional
Yes,
fees sa other brokers or realties and
okay.
agents.
That's why you can give the 5%. No problem.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. That will be in our contract.
Oh, wow.
That is stated in the contract.
Nice.
So it's a good business.
It's a unique approach to it.
Yeah, it's more or less they develop and si Michael ang mo develop.
You can market.
Mo focus mo sa construction.
Yes. Oh.
And then kami ang mo focus in selling
Yes.
and marketing.
Sales and marketing.
Sales
no?
and marketing.
So
Okay.
you become the platform sa pagbaligya ani, and it's an open market.
Open market.
Open market siya. So any agents can sell that property.
Yes.
So that's the advantage. No?
Okay, mura mo sila appeal na sa developer. Mura na sila on the developer side na sila.
Maras nag
Oh, yeah. Mura
collab
may
sila.
touch siya sa both
Yeah,
sides.
yeah.
No?
That's right.
Yeah.
That's
Ting
right.
ana ba ginatanan realty or
No,
different na inyo
no.
ha?
Different.
Ang realty is
Natukod
you
na.
partner with our business is you partner with the developers
Yes.
na magpa-accredit me. And we partner also with freelance sellers. They sell. We have a designation. So na ay percentage ilang madawat. Na po percentage madawat ang
So win-win siya
among company as partner.
as partner.
And we provide trainings,
Okay.
encouragement,
Yeah.
Yes,
course.
very important for sales. Yeah.
Yeah.
and service. If na kay questions, as a newbie, as a new sales agent, who can you ask? Kisa man imo ang ask from. Kisa imong pangutanan. So, we serve that.
Right.
No?
Sa
Kung nakay pangutana, mag-guide na mo, ma-mentor na mo ang mga new salesperson.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very important.
and makibaw sa sakay because they have the knowledge. You have the knowledge based na unsay pang storya nila, unsay kuha na area na everything. So coming from your training, mas knowledgeable lang kung then they can get the trust po sa ilang mga clients.
Yes, we have to train them para ang ibaid yun mo.
Uniform
sharp.
po ang ilang kon. Because mabalikan imong branding, di ba? If dili
Yes.
mao pagka-market sad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We aim to provide excellence,
Yep.
experience to our clients and partners, local and international. No?
They mentioned ka ganina na you will be accredited. Like, how does the process work? Ganahan ka mo pa-accredited o
If
developer?
there's a new development like Ayala and Premier, if nasa sila bagong project, they will invite us. And then they will be requiring documents like our business permits, SEC,
Alright. The legalities.
and information about our Global One Realty.
So sila mismo ang mo adto sa inyo or you cannot pitch yourself to them unsa may kuan na arrangement.
Yeah, so other developers call us, but sometimes if we find the project first,
Yeah.
kami ang mo reach out nila.
Reach out nila.
And then magpa-accredit.
Yeah.
And
Yes,
then-
and anyone can be a developer ba? Mga ba na siya? Or daily gid said. Kailangan sa accreditation na.
Developers,
Sorry to cut you off, but there's so many.
Ako yung scope, no?
Yeah, pero I've heard horror stories as well na, you know, a few, in fact, sa mga area kaya nakita uba na murag wala natiwas ang project ba? And unsa din na siya? Anyone can just be a developer or unsa na siya?
It's basically people are putting up a business to develop.
They
And
probably own
then
the
they
land.
have designed, mo-design sila kung sila i-develop. And then they have to apply for a license to sell.
Yes, okay.
Sa
There's money
Department
involved.
of, sa DSUD, Department of Housing.
Okay.
And then without the license to sell, they cannot sell it.
Okay.
So that's the process.
For that specific piece of land.
Specific project, per project.
Per project, okay. Okay, sige. So yeah, kay murag naman sa uban na dili ma-develop og tiwas pa. Unfortunately, no?
Yeah, it's very important na ay track record ang
Developer.
Alright.
Sa Global One Realty, we created a project database that I think that we have that others don't have.
Okay. So can you tell a little bit about that?
We have a summary of projects na sa amo ang database na naay mga tabs through Excel per location na may Mandawi City unsa mga projects ana. And then yung details. So we only place sa among project database
Yep.
those
Developers.
development
Development, okay.
kaya na may ibang development na wapay license to sell. Those development na naay license to sell. So that's what we have
Yep,
sa mong project database. If wapay license to sell, di pa na mo siya ibutang.
Yes.
And then every month we send them to our partners, Global One sellers.
Yep.
We call them Globies.
Globies.
So
Mga
we
distributors
send this,
ninyo.
we send this project database,
Okay.
Global One project database to our Globies. Yeah.
that's
So they have access.
So
as
na
well.
sila access na kung na mangitag talisay, they just click the talisay.
Yeah, mas faster ang kon.
They have the bracket low, mid, high as ang location.
Okay.
And then kinsay contact person. Then they call the
Systemized.
developer. We also have there inside our project database the directory of developers, contact person, and their contact details.
Yes, very important, no?
Dagan ka ng mga leads na daan.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so you can use that project database by joining Global One Realty. Much easier and efficient.
So,
Yeah.
one big question I do have ba, kasi sa brokerage ba, dili din mo same equal information na iyayahay kayo tigapon. Naimurag ka ng public domain of all information about developments and properties for sale? Or unsa man na siya?
Unfortunately, wala tay site
Centralized.
sa
Okay.
Philippines.
I thought na ana. Wala di.
Like Willows.
inana ba?
Sa
Yes.
America na I've talked to like maybe 5 to 6 years already. I've been talking to what do you call this? Kana maghimo og app
Yes.
Okay.
developer, app developer.
App developer, yeah.
The concept is soon mahimo siya one-stop shop sa tanan sa Philippines. That's the goal. But mo start sa catering listings, we call it listings.
Listings, yep.
Property for sale. Kato siya na app in one app.
All right.
We developed already before pandemic a global one app. Pero the developer ni biya naman after 1 year and a half so na discontinue.
Okay.
Naunta lingaw na kay mi.
Makita ron tatanan dito sa yung kuan.
Pero
Eternal lang sa mga.
yeah. So inyuhan ng listings bali. So kamo gid mo connect sa mga developers to get those listings. No?
Okay.
Or
Listings, i-categorize natin na siya. There are 2 categories.
okay, good. Sige.
Project listings and brokerage listings.
Oh, separate na siya.
So project is
The
the
difference is project listings are properties for sale by the developer. The likes of Ayala Land Properties, Cebu Land Masters.
Right. Exclusive
Deca
rin na
Homes.
sa developers.
Those are project listings. Ang brokerage
Brokerage
listings are properties for sale by the owners.
Owners mismo sila gid.
Private owners like
Yeah.
if kaning property imoning building and then you want to sell it.
All right.
You contact an agent or a broker. Then the
okay.
agent will be the agent listing. And the agent will promote as brokerage listings already. So naami laing group chats ana for
For
brokerage.
brokerage.
Naami laing group chats for project listings.
So palitan, so
Makes sense, makes sense.
like if ako ma-apply kong broker ba na pasar na ko.
Yeah.
So wala din ay i-hand out ako darata ng listing, wala din. So you have to
Wale.
You have to start
So
from
hustle
scratch.
hard gapon day kanina.
That's why
kanya-kanyang diskarte gapon after. Yeah.
Yeah,
Doesn't mean
it's
that you have a kuan.
That's why when we have our brokers orientation.
Yep.
Ang salesperson is different from brokers orientation. Brokers, licensed brokers who wants to join Global One Realty. So, among representation gani if you want go to solo, how fast can you accredit hundreds of developers?
Yeah. Whereas
Na
ato sa
kay
mo join
gusto
sa mo, ha?
ipangutanas newbie, kisa imong kadaganan ng pangutanon na about laws, about real estate.
Yeah.
And then how fast can you grow your network?
Yes.
Yes, kana.
If you
Very
join
important.
Global One Realty, automatic full access sa tanang
Sa inyong
accredited
database.
developers,
Yeah.
hundreds of projects, accredited na ka.
Wow.
Dili na ka mismo ako go to Ayala. Ako go to Cebu Land Master,
Yes.
submit na po documents. 100 offices, I will accredit this month. And then next year, kay yearly may accreditation,
Oh, wow,
you will do the same. Go to HT Land, Mandani Bay, magpa-accredit.
Yearly ang accreditation.
Yeah.
And you have to have a fee kung magpa-accredit.
No fees. That's for free.
Okay. I thought
Okay.
bayad. Hindi subscription based ato ba?
And the pricing mo na siya, dikto na magikan sa communication with the brokerage.
If
and
accredited na ka sa one developer,
they'll issue you
the
a price.
broker coordinator will send us information about their project. And then they will invite us, schedule lang,
Okay.
for our team to visit their project. And we call it site tour. And then they will conduct a PKS, product knowledge seminars, all about the projects, benefits, features.
That is like internal.
Yes,
lang.
yes, yeah.
Lahi po ng mga open house.
Yeah, open house are marketing sales event.
Sales event. Okay.
That naman pakulo sila sa on a particular day.
Okay.
to invite clients. And then kung may clients, you serve them,
Okay.
answers all their questions. And then if they want to invest,
Yep.
then they invest
Yeah.
On the spot.
on that day.
On that day. Good.
And then
Pag-bell na sila.
yes.
I've been to a couple of open houses.
Sometimes na yung mga promos, if you
Discounted,
reserve, you invest a property now na kay Roleta, and then you can win additional prizes or cash or
Yeah,
shopping GCs, whatever. no?
Oh, yeah, bit very
For,
interesting.
for today, if you get, you will receive free aircon.
There you go.
Oh,
Mga
diba?
appliances daan, di ba?
So that's the advantage sa events.
Quick question lang. Like, ni-mention ka ganina, if someone wants to join you, you have all this access, no? The trainings, the everything, the information, di ba? These are very important information. Now, what if lang, he will just join you for a year and then he gets all your information and he starts his own. How would you handle that kind
It's
of?
okay. Because para na mo, if we share our strategies, our experience, okay na mi. No? We bless another person to do an opportunity to do opportunity to do business with them.
I love that.
Okay, ang uban mingon man ay takuha na to ni kay misi gamito nila. Inani man ni siya
Hoarder.
if dili siya maka-adhere sa culture namo.
Yep.
Mo bali na o maghimog
Yes.
na.
Yeah. Of course.
Ano man na siya.
Oh.
So we wanted also partners na maka-adapt sa among
Culture, of course, very important.
So dami core gina honesty, professionalism, integrity.
Yes.
Na gina sa mo dili pwede na ay okay na shortcut ta
Yeah.
para lang commission.
Right.
Dili mi gana na commission now, later consumption.
Makes sense.
Di ba?
Yes.
We wanted to do it properly,
Yeah.
professionally.
Right.
In all our transactions sa Global One Realty.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yes. So, if gamito nila ang mga techniques, it's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay. Naaman pud mi sa when they sign up, naami sila pirmaan na
Waiver.
if inactive sila for a year,
Walang access.
automatic sila na to join another orientation. And then kung ganahan sila mo depart, mohangi lang mi nila na to submit a resignation letter to avoid conflict of interest.
Yes.
To do it professionally.
Right.
Yeah.
At least sakto na po ng exit. Diba?
Of course.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So most of our people na mo exit, salamat kita. Salamat kay si Redza. Salamat. And then sa silang resignation letter na nagsukot sila sa amua, ni-grow sila. And they wanted to expand more siguro on their own.
Yep. Personal.
We respect also that.
Yes. Oh.
And they respect us as well.
Quick question lang. How do you, like, how big or sa man siya ang team ni mo ani? How does this look like? How many, is there full-time or commission-based or anything?
Yeah.
sa may
All
itsura
our
ni?
partners are commission basis now.
Okay. So, resign gapon day ka na bisag commission-based? Na gapon na.
Because naamagod mi sa Global One Realty, naami when you sign up with us, naami application form.
So, mura gi-check.
Nami question Q&A dito na standard na appeal ba ka sa ubang realty?
Okay.
Willing ba siya malisensyahan? And then na sila a one-page mo na kung saan mo ang policies.
Okay. At least na lang siya klaro bito nag-guidelines po. Yeah.
Which other realty wala murag
Tayo-tayo lang.
appeal ta, orientation, naning commission na.
Okay.
Baligyan
Kwarta
na.
lang, kwarta lang.
Kwarta-kwarta
You
lang.
don't want that. You don't want. We want to
You're
develop.
you're really kuan in the systems sa gid nagi sistema ba?
Yeah,
Yung process. That makes it
Professional
stand
gid siya
out.
na.
that's right.
Yeah.
We want to do this professionally.
That's good.
Yeah. Nakoy interesting question lang since you're in the real estate field, no?
Yeah.
And I'm a budding real estate sad na trying to buy land investing in a sense. What do you see the future of Cebu? Cebu ra ba yung market, no? Mainly?
We also have sellers from Bohol.
Bohol sad. Okay.
Dagan-dagan mi dito.
But
the
yeah,
sellers.
let's say Visayas in
Cebu,
general,
Cebu,
centrally Cebu. What's the future man of Cebu? Is it bubble ba ni siya? They call it a bubble or something? Or overpriced or
Okay.
Yeah, what's the future
If
here?
you read the mga Colliers, mga other real estate gurus, dugay na ko maka-witness sa ilang mga speculation. Kay speculation naman gina.
Yes. Oo.
But what I see sa history, 1997, 1997, ni-slow down ang real estate.
Okay.
And then, ni-bounce back after a year.
Oh, year lang.
Oo.
Grabe, no?
Nakapaspas ang real estate,
Yeah.
bounce back. Year 2007 na po, padung. Nihinay na po ang real estate.
Okay. So it's a roller coaster ride, gud siya.
And then, pag 2008-9, saka na po,
Si US man ni, di ba? 2008? Or sa Pilipinas ni?
Philippines.
Mo ba? Kay pare-pareha sa sa US?
Mo connect, man good.
Oh, yeah. Kay nilom sa direkto. Mo to ang
Mo connect
bubble.
yun. Kung hinay sila, mo apektaran gud ang uban Asian countries. Apektaran ang Philippines.
Interesting, no?
Tungod na siya currency.
OFW remittances.
Yes.
Okay.
Connected good.
Kay daghan baya mo remit diri. Number 1, number 2, priority gud sa mga na mag-ipon sa gawas is to invest into a house. Lagi na sa utok nila.
Yeah. Tinawad.
Balayan ako
Pinoy,
si
no?
mama o si papa.
Yes. Maski ako, nawagyapan tayo.
Ha?
Yes.
Di ba? So, kung hinay sila dito, ma-layoff sila dito, ang mga taga-barko, maulis Pilipinas, wala yung mga contract,
Yep.
hinay ka ng economy.
United.
So, nag-speculate ang mga guest speakers na nasa real estate.
Yep.
2017 na ay fraud. So, every 10 years day ang cycle.
Sa
Philippines.
Okay.
1997, 2007,
2027.
2017.
2027.
Okay.
So, niyon ang sa mga speaking engagement akong gatanan
Yep.
about real estate. There is a fraud sa condominium na fraud kay buwa lang, dili gud bubble.
Okay. Gamay lang na buwa.
17 na to, no? But what I witnessed, because we have information sa mga developers, they give us pricing, they give us inventories, and then when we study the inventories, manamalit bang mga tao?
Okay.
Sold out. Prices are increasing.
So, wow, Japan.
Yes.
Mingon ako mga barkada, mahala sa inyong per square meter eh. Muyaw-yaw,
Pero palit.
pero palit. That's the beauty of real estate.
Yes.
So the 10-year cycle, nawala.
Nawala na siya.
Then pandemic hits.
Kato.
Dito,
What happened?
boom.
Down good.
Down.
Every business
No
down.
one.
Yeah. I understand.
Except mag-logistics, online, katong mga food.
Moto
Saka.
yun ni Saka. Oh.
Diba? So after a year sa pandemic, wala, good. 3 months, 4 months after pandemic, nakahalin mi. March ba to?
March ang pandemic
2020.
yun. Marag ni lockdown.
Marag June or July, first sale na mo. Online.
Wow. Online marketing mo to.
Oh,
Pwede kaya mapalit, di ba? Bisag
Hasta
pandemic.
mga commission. Daray ka ng mga lalamove.
Ay, lala mo bang commission?
Oh. And then, ang senatores, lalamove po.
Okay.
Adapt na.
So, ako, kinama ko sa city, akong partners na naman sa Lagyo, ako mo, kuhaan, marag point na sobre, cheque, padala
Okay.
sa mga agents na ilang mga commissions. So, continuous ang business.
Wow.
Even sa online.
Yeah.
This is very interesting, no? Kaning after pandemic. Pandemic
Yes.
hits March of 2020.
Yes.
Lockdown, no?
Yeah, lockdown. March.
April?
March.
Okay. Aligre kayo. Kaning storya ha, tinuod ni. Of course,
Of course. Yeah.
after 4 months, I've been receiving, kay continuous mga may namaligag online. Social media manggid ka to, automatic. That was the year na pinaka-busy na ko tripping. Tripping meaning, meeting with a client, going out from your house, going to the property, present the property, and then
try to sell.
try to sell it.
Yeah. Tripping day tawag na.
Tripping.
From the trip.
Site tour.
Okay.
So tripping. Up to December, hurot akong gasoline. Mas daghan pa kog tripping versus a year before, 2019. Na why pandemic.
Wow.
But zero sales.
So, puro tanaw lang sila. So,
Ano mga planning lang?
Yes. You know, businessman wants to take the opportunity
Yeah.
to do business.
Right.
No?
On those times.
Kato.
Difficult times.
What they do is to ask and request for a pandemic price.
Yeah. Mga good.
If you're selling 10 million, Bridge, lisod man ron. Pwede ba? 5?
Grabe. Ano?
50 to 70% ang ilang i-offer from the selling price. Discount nila gusto 20, 30 to 50% pandemic price. And sellers here are also investors sa akong circle. Sa akong circle. Naman ko yung ibang mga sellers katong mga OFW, lahi po ng storya.
Yeah.
No? Kato mo'y mura ni slow down good. Ni dive ang mga prices.
Yes.
Yep.
Oh, sige, baligyan na akong 2 million, mga 1 million
Okay.
para naami
Para legit.
pondo for in case of emergency.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Pero
Namaligan.
kung
Sacrifice
mga 10 million, 20 million, mga taas ang presyo, ano, Reds, let's wait. We'll see next year. Kalmahara. Uy. Pero zero sales. Ako, wow. But I pursue. When we started, di ko ganag social media.
Okay. Mag-listen ka ka-Jess sa amin?
Di ko ganahan post.
Okay.
Di ko ganahan makita pictures pagkaon. I-post na ako sa akong FB. Kay hambugiruan ko. Ano mang hambog man silang.
Yeah.
But all our trainings, mingon na, you need to be in the social media. I know that is right. But before, dugay ko naka-adapt. Si ko pati tuglata.
Okay.
Sa akong personal na nisya na experience. Sa akong personal sales dili sa team.
Yep.
Okay? So, I think mga 2016, 2017, I started 2018, mga inana. I started posting in my Facebook which we train. Application of training is very important because some people attend the training and they don't apply it. You know that.
Yeah. They don't implement
It's a waste.
of time. Yet.
Ngayon sila, wow, lagi ko ihalin. Did you carry on with the training?
Right.
Akong suwayan, sir. Wala, di ay.
Yeah.
So you have to implement your training, your knowledge. You have to implement it.
Yeah.
So, kato, outside of my comfort zone, ako ni-train sa mga tao, no? Namin strategy how you post it sa imong Facebook. Na walay gasto.
Okay.
Okay, pwede man ka mag-boosting, advertising.
Yeah.
Diba? Yeah, paid ads.
Yeah,
Paid ads.
Yeah.
Pero what I did is itong dili paid ads. Experiment ko paid ads, dagan inquiry, dili kay close. So, usa lang gid akong mastorya sa for those who are watching.
Yes.
No? Promote yourself professionally sa social media and kinahanglan ikaw ang nasa top of their mind. How to? How to? Is dapat imong presence sa imong FB naa everyday.
Wow.
So, I post at least, akong training is 4+1, 4 to 5 posts, but di na ko kaya.
Okay.
Day.
In a day. So, what I do with my personal FB is I post one sa timeline and I will post one in my story.
Yeah.
Magkadungag kung na plus reels, plus katong thoughts. Magkadungag, di ba?
Yeah.
If you can do it all, do
The
it
better.
all.
Yeah.
The better.
Yeah.
Because every time mo swipe, pila na kamillion ang naasa online karon sa Facebook subscribers. I don't know, 70, 80 to 90 million
Yep.
FB subscribers in the Philippines. Imagine the capacity that every morning, tanantaw mo swipe, may kog 90% to 99%. Swipe ang tao.
Right.
Katong na ay mga cellphone.
The
Diba?
first thing they do get is get their
Swipe.
phones.
Buntag, swipe.
Yeah.
Swipe the phone. Well, ngadawat na itong mga mata sa mga bata. Anyways, so to be on top
Yeah.
of your mind.
Yeah.
Yes.
Be
Their
present
mind.
again. Be present.
So, after balik ta sa katong zero sales,
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Kailangan ko to.
pursue lang yun. So, you have to be consistent and do not be dismayed. Dismayed, no? You have to have courage to pursue. Ayaw, gikundang.
Yep.
Padayon lang yapon ko sa akong strategy na everyday post.
Yes.
First quarter comes 2021. I received calls. Reggie, is that property still available?
Okay.
Mayroon ko, I need to update
Yep.
and then get back to you.
Right.
Pag-update na ko sa property owners, Reg, available pa. But different na kung price.
Oh, okay. Man namang pandemic. Well, technically.
Increased price. Iko, ma'am, mohangyo ba ni siya? Ma'am, o presyo. Reg, lahi naman tong last year. Wag good. Kuan good.
Firm.
Business
Firm,
woman.
yun,
This is my price now. Last year was different.
Okay.
Inana nila sila. Ingon ana day ang negosyo sa real estate. Di lang ikapatarog.
Yep.
So here goes my communication with the prospect buyer. Sir, this is the new price. Reg ba? Ikaw ba? Muhangyo man ganit tag presyo? Imo man kong kabuangan? Ako kasaban.
Balikan ka.
Muhangyo man ganit kong presyo. Why are you increasing the price?
Okay.
So, believe me, every month, closing. Different
increase ang
prices.
price.
Funny, people bought it with a higher price.
They really wanted it, pero I think they were just looking for the right time for it na
Lower
kampante
price.
na sila, yeah.
No, lower business. It's their
lang.
business. Buy low, sell high.
Sell high. Yeah.
You know? If makapalit yung 7M and then mahuman ng pandemic, makabalik yung 12M.
Yeah.
Wow.
Because
Lemon
that's still
came for 1 year.
pandemic.
5M.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Because
For 1 year.
Because 2021 still pandemic pa ba epon. Diba?
Pero namalit.
Namalit sila.
And people are calling me. Dili isa akong gipost na gipromote. Rez, I saw your post. Asa man na restaurant?
Okay.
Diba?
So building that relationship.
Building a relationship, helping them, giving them value.
Yes.
Na makatilaw po sila og good food. Then,
Holistic siya
yes.
approach. Yeah.
So that's the strategy is to connect.
Yep.
Diba?
Right.
Build your network. And then akong gidesign akong Facebook na high-end. Those mga nakita na ko na gustuhan sa mga high-end, mo pod akong gusto ng mga images. So you have to
Yeah.
intentionally build your social media. Kung gusto kang middle-end, ang middle-end na images, imong ipamutang diha.
Oh, yeah.
Kung low-end ka, low-end images. But
Yeah.
kung unsaon, sa training na mo. Join Global One Realty.
Nice.
Good point. No? And in fact, that's what we are doing with the podcast as well. And kanang mag-post good me every, as much as we could, the weekly sa among episodes and mga
Yeah.
reels. Because it's, the credibility, it's katong touch points ba? It's like 5, they say 5, even now, nisaka na ko na, naimod na ko ng 8 or something. You need to have at least that touch point para people would know, like, and trust you ba? Kalite, know, like, and trust, no? So, really good point. I think, sa atong time run, bro, I think
Basta kayo,
this is very
wako mo man.
important, yeah?
Yeah, nindot to siya na story, no? And-
Yeah.
Yeah, kay every month ito, blessing.
Yeah.
Yes.
Dili lang ka ng gamay na blessing, dako na blessing from the Lord financially. Grabe. So, serve lang good. Continue to pursue
Yes.
what you're doing. You think that is right. And pray 100%.
Yep.
Pray to the Lord
Importante,
and it will
spiritual.
come. And believe it. It will.
Wow.
Okay.
Very nice timeline.
Ako lang po the
timeless.
follow-up question and I believe this is part of our questioning po sa mga podcast, no?
Okay.
Is it safe to say ba na when you say katong zero sales ka for at least a year ba to?
Yeah, for the whole year of
pandemic,
2019.
Would that be
2020.
would that be your rock bottom ba na experience na nakadiri sa Global One?
Oh yes, definitely. Definitely. It was no income. You have to feed your family and makuhaan gid imong savings.
Okay.
Yes. And then you begin to doubt na mobalik pa ka ng real estate. Bisig, mingon sila na ang real estate na anay cycle.
Oh, yep.
So, hasta kaya ako na storya pero ang iyang pangutana wala ako natubag. Unsay may tabo sa Cebu. No?
Thank you for remembering, by the way. Sige.
2020 ang pandemic, no? 2021, isa ka.
Yes.
No? But there was a slowdown 2023 o early year months this year. So, ang akong opinion
imong
and
opinion.
speculation,
Yes.
no, ni ang katong 2017 slowdown is nahitabo na. Previous
okay.
months ni
Okay.
hinay ang real estate. No? So, when you're down already, ingon pud sa mga mo invite namig mga speakers, mga economic
That's the
professor.
perfect time to buy.
Ang akong opinion ni jive sa iyahang outlook sa real estate na musaka karong fourth quarter of 2024.
Okay.
And that's
then
what you're anticipating.
Yes, musaka na pod siya now.
It's the best
Musaka na gid siya. Kay second quarter naman. Third quarter.
Yeah. Fast.
Musaka na. So, buy low, sell high, now is the time. Ang uban, nipalit ng mahal nun.
Of course.
From the first quarter. Very
quick lang
wapo,
question
wapo.
if you can answer this, like what's interesting projects upcoming sa Cebu na we should look out? Nabay bagong bridge, nabay bagong sa mana.
Yes, it's
There's something
naman na sa
very
media
interesting.
Na there will
Or kanang
be-
insider info bro na wala pa napagawas na mga developers na nakibaw.
Oy, I don't know, but I don't know if you heard about the Fort Bridge.
Fort Bridge.
It's really coming. It's really coming.
It's gonna.
It's Liloan to
Okay.
Punta Ingan. Liloan to Mactan.
Wow.
Padung diya sa Punta Inganyo di ay.
Okay.
Hindi siya maumpadong sa Bohol? Lahi ba to?
Anong buhol? Tinuod na?
That's only a dream pa.
Palagi. Hindi pa
That's
kayo.
it's very long. Very
Yes,
long.
very long.
Mauna pa ng Fort Bridge.
Fort Bridge siya.
Yes.
Yeah, 2 years ago I saw already the plan by JICA. Sila design. And then sige na sila og strategize how to implement it.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, anyway, Lapu-Lapu is very expensive naman sa Ronog. But Liloan area, good way to invest.
Yeah,
That area,
kay,
upper Consolacion, Liloan.
You know, Liloan also and Consolacion and Liloan. I don't know if you read the news na may na pending project diha. The international
Yeah,
port will be transferring there.
Oh, really?
Cebu International Port.
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 Ang
Okay.
airport wala na yun.
Alahi po na siya na
Alahi siya na
project.
siya,
No?
Okay.
We're talking about Liloan and Consolacion man. So,
Okay.
kung ato ka sa katong Kansaga Bay Bridge,
Yep.
padong Liloan, and then sa right side na ay Port Clare, i-google na siya. Naan siya dapit diha ang project.
Okay.
It's a 25 hectare
Wow.
abono.
Oh, wow.
Abono
Reclaim
na,
land.
i-reclaim na nila and i-construct nila diha ang Cebu International Port. That's why I have guest clients last week, 2 weeks ago. Positioning already ang ilang mga depot
Yes.
para sa maybe 5 to 10 years mahuman na.
Yep.
Gasolina.
Naana diha center maguta. So Vismin area makadistribute sila. So international port,
Strategic.
iputang nila silang warehousing or depot and then Vismin distribute.
Yeah. Hopefully, masod ang mga cruise dere.
Probably. Ang design na nila from Busan, ang design nila na.
Wow.
Sa Korean ang nag-conceptualize ang design na.
Wow.
Cebu is booming.
Yes.
Cebu is booming. Yes.
Yes.
Amazing.
Okay. Last few questions na bro.
Okay, sige. Sige lang. Quick question lang po. Since ni-ask mo ko na if mo to siyang rock bottom ni mo, Sir Reggie, like,
unsa man sad ang para nimo is the highest point nimo na murag positive bitaw siya. In a way na that's your biggest win so far with your company.
With myself and my company, I would say with myself katong zero sales. Kay makauna-una na magika na mo recover pa ba ang real estate?
Okay.
Mo recover pa ba mga ayo ba ang mga tao? Misig unsa ni mo believe na mahuwa ra ng pandemic?
Yep.
Kaya po imuhonghong nimo na now you have to plan B already.
Yeah.
Mga naki-doubt, di ba? Pero ni-pursue ko.
Na-pursue gyapon.
I-pursue ko. And then, mubalik ka sa, unsay plano ni Lord sa kuha? Di ba niyon si Lord ni mo ang calling ni mo sa real estate?
Your why.
Di
Kasi
ba?
mong why.
And then, niundang po ko sa bang negosyo kay I jokingly tell my friends na, wang ko'y love life. Di ko pa maminyo, ani. Yeah, okay. Pila na akong age at that time na I just got married 5 years ago.
Oh wow, congrats ha.
And I don't know if you know my age now, but I won't sell.
Pero yeah,
Late
first
bloomer
wife,
ko.
first wife.
First wife.
First and only.
First and only.
Okay,
Kaya guided
good.
naman to ni Lord.
Good,
So
good.
that was my high time. When, if you just pursue, you apply the training, you believe in yourself,
Yep.
you ask the Lord on sa imong direction, i-pursue lang yun kung 100% mo, diha ka mo succeed.
Yeah.
Yeah, so 2021,
Yeah.
What's the
that
success
was
story?
What was your success
personally,
story, Jud?
kay sige ni siya halin.
Wow.
Nindot kuan ba? Turn
Using
around ba?
free advertisement sa social media. Wala kay ko YouTube pa, wala ko TikTok, pero na at the time, pero karon na ko TikTok.
Sayo na ka.
Wala pa gapon mabiyaan. I can only handle one social media account.
Sige lang.
Busy
Baby
naman.
steps. Baby steps. Baby steps.
And then for sustainability, we have to do that. Katong bang strategy.
Of course.
But now, my hands are full.
Yeah.
People are, and di na ko masurya ka nang mag-selfie. Di gid ko ka na. Di man ko mo post, mag-selfie pa ka. But the trainings tells us magkuwag video,
Yes.
mas effective ang video.
Right.
So, trying hard ko selfie. Trying hard ko mag-video niya. Ako ni post di 80% sa akong mga videos na with my face, wa na ko na post. Nakakapoy struggle, no?
Yeah.
But the 20% na post na ko. Aligri kayo. Kay screenshotan sa akong mga network. I-send na nila sa akong private message. Uy, vlogger na day ka. Bugal-bugalan ka.
Wala
But you know what? Katong
Yeah.
bugal-bugal,
Yeah.
bought the property.
That's the reason. no?
Alin na food, no?
Yeah.
So,
It becomes your selling machine, di ba?
that's right. Sir Michael well said. That's right. So that time, 2021, nindot kayo ang alin. Up to now.
Amazing.
Up
That's
to now.
really awesome.
22, 23, 24. Aninay siya katong 2023 and katong
Earlier this quarter.
first second quarter this year.
Yeah. But sige lang, because with your anticipation now,
Musaka na
2024,
po.
Musaka ang side. So,
And I believe that
Yes,
in my
yes.
heart.
exciting na siya, di ba?
Yes.
That's a good part of real
Amazing.
estate. No?
Okay.
Sige. So, I think there was this part na ni-answer siya itong tips niya,
mga
Bruno,
tips niya,
katong pre,
yeah.
So, I think we can skip that.
Yep.
Katong, the start all over again. Murag okay na sad? What do you think?
Siguro, I think conviction niya, the calling. So, natubag na po niya.
Natubag na sad.
natubag. So, actually, namin mga gipang prepare na mga questions, but imo
Amo
na
gani-
share na ang
Yeah,
answer.
para ma-interested sila minaw.
So,
para maka-inspire.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kanila lang tingi, like what's a resource na or mentor ba ron or what tip nimo katong sa ganahan magkat-on og brokerage or what? Aside from going to global one global.
Global One Realty.
Global One,
yeah.
yes.
Yes. I grew up with the absence of a father. Diligid siya every time bitaw na.
okay.
So, wa ako about what mentoring is because my mother doesn't mentor me.
yep.
Passive ra gyud. No?
Mother's
So,
love
I create
lang.
my own. But every time I went to a seminar, yun gid sila na dapat na kay sundan as mentor.
Right.
So she asked akong self, kinsa man akong mentor? How will I grow when I don't have a mentor?
Yeah.
Then I realized, naamdi siya. Turo, cliche ha, pero tinuod.
Yeah. That inner voice, di ba?
Tinuod
dira ka makakuha.
The Lord has been driving me from ups and downs, naagid siya. No, yung unfailing love, naagid siya. So, siya ako mentor. Ang Ginoo.
Yes, yes. And they say even in the Bible is actually one of the best business books daw. I don't know if I've heard it somewhere.
Yes.
Daghan kay lessons dara na
Daghan kay financial
Yes.
stability, financial topic na sa Bible.
Yes, that's why it's called kuan good. That's why it's the Bible, no?
Yeah.
So, I think mo na natong wrap up na to, bro, no? So
So where can we find you? Where can we contact you? So this is the portion na dili na kala mo market sa imuhang.
Okay.
Yeah.
For those people who wants to do real estate opportunity, to do business, to sign up with us, to join the Global One Realty team, you can contact our office at 412-3112.
Nice.
All right? And then for investors that wants their investment, financial investment, ilang kwarta na secured, dili mo mailad, you can contact me and I will help you liquidate if you have properties, ma-liquidate na to. And then kung nangita mo og properties, we can help you search for the best property for you. You can contact me at my Facebook.
sige.
My Facebook name is Reggie Manaloto. And my contact is 0917-882-4827. Mura man ni siya og naasa
Sa kanang ads na
noontime show.
Pero
Wait, there's more.
Pero sir, careful ato atong gi-mention live. I mean in public so kana mga scammers na please don't text Sir Reggie.
Cut na lang to, cut.
Yeah, so thank you so much for your time here. No, hopefully nag-enjoy ra sa conversation.
I did.
Yes.
I just wanted to share my life.
Yeah, nindot siya.
I don't know if it's interesting for everyone.
Yeah,
but
ako na-inspire ko.
I think for misig kinsa na life yung kag boring ning na tao na agi ma-inspire na.
Yes.
Sa ilang own way.
Yeah, and one thing lang yun akong murag ni resonate yun ako karon ba is the feeling of being unstoppable kay imuhang belief is very strong.
Yes.
Kato ba murag calling siya. That telling yourself that it's a calling, that there's a greater power, it's really I would say kuan good kanang something na in my personal journey ako pa sa cultivate no
Yeah.
with
Dave,
my relationship with
it's
God.
not telling myself, but hearing the Lord that is your calling.
Yeah, very powerful.
That is very difficult.
No more higher authority than that, di ba? Murag
Yes.
inana ba?
And how can you hear it? Imo gisang storyahan for me. Para namoy relasyon.
Yeah.
Good.
Without a relationship, mangutana ka niya, layo pa kayong tubag. Kaya wa pa relasyon.
Yes.
So you also build relationship with the Lord.
Tinawag.
Yeah.
Then you will hear at the right time.
Yes.
Your calling.
Yes.
It comes with conviction.
Your calling.
Yes. Oh. So if you enjoyed this, go on, bro. If you enjoyed this, if this resonated with you, na enjoy ninyo, na learn mo something new, please do like and subscribe, bro. Yung sa mga spiel ni mo na, bro.
Yeah. And also, yes, this is also the time na unshameful lang na kuan na promotions sa atong brands no. So basically we have for me, Michael, I also own Zoom Autospa. So if you need a car wash while you shop, we do have car wash shops in SM malls, in especially here in Cebu, we have Park Mall, Anjo World, Robinson's Galleria, ICM as well. And also here venue namo diri sa among podcast, which is the Kaizen. This is actually a sales training center. So if you wish to learn more about or improve your sales skills, napo tay mga workshops ana and natay events. And also I'm also in collab sad sa among events with Dave with the Big Picture Philippines na not only podcasts but also trainings and workshops pod about businesses pod how you can definitely improve your business to the next level. So naputi na ng mga events pod.
Yes, and for my end, Ti Amo Cafe, na may bagong pizza dito ron.
Oh, where's this?
Nakalimot
Yeah,
ko
it's in Juana Osmeña inside Hotel One. So we have that's managed by my wife. And yeah, Pacific Living is one thing. Kanang nagsugod sa kong real estate, sir. Although few pa lang, a couple, mabakante ang mga sa apartment unit, studio unit. So I'll post some of those. If you know someone needed sa Pusok, Lapu-Lapu is our unit. So yes, next month. And yeah, if you want the reels, kay nagdiskutan mo ganing mga videos ron, we're open to collaborating. Although my brand gyud kay foreign gyud akong clients usually. So but yeah, that's about it for us, no?
All right.
So thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much.
So our next
My
episode.
pleasure, Michael.
Thank you
My
very much.
pleasure.
Thank you so
Dave,
much.
nice podcast.
Yes. Thank you, everyone. See you on our next episode. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.